Hi, my name is Mina Hassanaghi, and today I'm going to talk about my research project. I'm working on trace metal content in juvenile herring in the Strait of Georgia. We chose herring because first, they are considered as the resident fish in the strait for their first year of their life before they're leaving the strait to the west coast of Vancouver Island as their feeding areas. And they are also very important species for transferring energy from the lower trophic level organisms like planktons to the higher trophic level animals like hake and salmon. They are also important in commercial fishery in British Columbia. Here is our sampling sites. Our samples are collected by Fishery and Ocean Canada during the annual juvenile herring survey in September 2018. In total, we have 320 samples from 8 stations from northern parts like Smelt Bay, Atrevida Reef, Cape Cookburn, Henry Bay, and Bowser, as well as the central and southern parts like Clark Rock, Yellow Point, and Trincomalee Channel. For the method, first I record all length and weights of each individual fish. And then for homogenization, I used trace metal clean titanium blade blender, as well as trace metal clean mortar and pestle. And after blending the samples, I freeze dry them. And for homogenizing the dry material, I use the ceramic mortar and pestle. And I digest all my samples in trace metal clean lab with different kind of and amount of acids. And then in Pacific Center for Isotopic and Geochemical Research with quad ICP-MS, we measure the trace metal contents. In total, I have 144 samples with 6 individual fish and 3 replicates for each from 8 stations. Here is the result of herring biometrics. The relationship between fish length and weight can be described by the condition factor, and it's using for comparing fish condition, fatness, and well-being. If it's close to 1, then we can say our fish are happy and healthy. For the herring from Strait of Georgia in different stations, they are approximately same, around 0.7. Highest condition factor is for Atrevida Reef, and the lowest condition factor is for Trincomalee Channel and Bowser. Here is the copper concentration in herring whole body for all of our stations. The range is from 3 to around 6 milligram per kilogram of copper in fish sample dry weight. The highest copper concentration is for Clark Rock and Atrevida Reef, and the lowest copper concentration is for Smelt Bay and Henry Bay. For the cadmium, the range of the cadmium in milligram per kilogram of dry weight is from 0.2 to 0.4. And then the highest cadmium concentration is for Smelt Bay, and the lowest cadmium concentration is for Atrevida Reef. For the silver, the range is from 0.007 to 0.01, and the highest silver concentration is for Trincomalee Channel, and the lowest silver concentration is for Cape Cookburn. As the conclusion, we found a significant difference between the stations for our 3 metals, copper, cadmium, and silver. Atrevida Reef has the lowest cadmium content and highest condition factor, but it's also one of the highest sites for the silver and copper content. Trincomalee Channel has the lowest condition factor and the highest silver content. And our results for herring whole body for copper and cadmium content are lower than what WHO and FAO suggested for a fish muscle for human consumption. Thank you so much for your time. And please let me know if you have any questions. You can email me. And thanks.